me better when I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. You see the title? We are doing a full face of Fenty Beauty because if you didn't know, I'm here to tell you it is that time of the year for the Fenty Fam sale. Now, if you didn't know anything about that and you don't know what products to look into, I got you. Let's go. Okay, starting March 18th to March 19th, you're gonna go to Fenty's website. You're gonna add everything that you want to cart. You're gonna type in Shanygne 30 in the little code section, and then you're gonna get 30% off site-wide. But let's say you forget, something happens those 2 days, you can't place your order. It's okay, because from March 20th to March 23rd, you can still get 25% off site-wide. Now, if you're thinking to yourself, Shanygne, I don't know what to add to cart. And because today's video is sponsored by Fenty Beauty, I got you. So let me show you how I did today's makeup and everything that I would recommend. Okay, so first up is primer. I know y'all saw them come out with this last fall, summer around there. Isn't that trippy? Look at. This is the Grip Trip Hydrating and Plumping primer. I love a good gripping primer. And I done told y'all, I love those moisturizers, primers that literally feel like you are putting moisture or just straight up water into your face. So I'm gonna go ahead, blend that out. And look at my skin. Look, you see that? Y'all know it's a very much so trust the process type of thing. The contour that I am using to underpaint is their Matchstick in Caviar. A little bit, because it can do a lot with a little bit. And that is the shade. Blend that out. And here I'm making sure I push up instead of down. And for foundation today, I'm going to use the Eaze Drop Blurring Skin Tint in the shade 21. Y'all know I rave about this. We're getting into warmer weather soon. And if you are going to travel, packaging makes this very easy, very simple to just throw in. You don't have to worry about glass bottles breaking or anything like that. But whether you're traveling or you're just going out in warmer weather in your town where you live, this in the summertime, literally one of the best skin tints out there because it's still going to look foundation-y on your face, but your face can breathe. Whether you have dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, it's going to last throughout the day. Y'all know if you're going for that, like, you got makeup on, but not that much. Not you see it in real life and you're like, this is the skin tint for that. Very easy to blend out. Now to set my concealer, I'm going to use the blurring powder that they came out with last year in the shade Strawberry Milk. I told y'all this is a good blurring powder, and unlike the first powder that they launched, this one is not as mattifying, which my under eyes need because I have drier under eyes. Okay, and for bronzer, I'm going to use Mocha Mommy. If you've been here ever since this bronzer was launched, then you know when it first launched, I was calling it Mocha Miami for like a good 2 weeks or something like that. And then the people in my comments were like, baby, read it again, slowly. Use your finger, read it out loud. Oh. So every time I see it now, I still want to say Mocha Miami, but it's Mocha Mommy. And again, going to push that up towards my concealer. Again, we're getting into that warmer weather, so bronze up the face. Setting spray is going to be the You Mist Makeup Extending setting spray. Look how, do you see how that missed out? For my lip liner today, I'm going to use their Traced Out lip liner in Browned Out, and I done told y'all, you got about 40 seconds to place this where you want it, because once it sets, it is going to set. It's not moving anywhere. I was thinking about it. I might have a seafood boil for lunch today, and I promise you, even after I finish that, there's still going to be lip liner on my lip. And then, you know, my lips are always going to include something Fenty. First up, I have the Fenty Glow, which is like the original gloss bomb, but this is actually Fenty Glow in the heat version. And y'all know I like a lip plumper, and this is a lip plumper that you're actually going to feel, and it's actually going to do something on your lips. Now, of course, we could stop there, but do I ever stop there? No. So I will also be going in with their High Shine Gloss Bomb Stick in the shade Tulip Kiss 02. So that is it for my makeup today, but y'all already know Fenty got you covered when it comes to hair, makeup, skincare, body care. So there are some things I wanted to recommend that you pick up during this time that obviously I'm not going to put on my face. First up is the Home Curl Defining Cream. Y'all know I go through my moments where I'm trying to figure out doing my hair myself, and that's whether it's a wig, my natural hair, whatever. We're not at trying braids myself, but you get the point. And when I do, I like finding curl creams to define my curls, so especially my natural hair or curly wigs, whatnot, stuff like that. This Curl Define, there is a smell to this, I'm just not sure how to describe it. I like it. It's more of like a florally type scent. Y'all remember when I used hair products that were really sweet, a bee got stuck in my hair? Maybe it just smells like hair care. That typical hair care smell. And of course, we have to talk about it. The Body Butta. Y'all already know this because they have this one, the one that smells like Cinnamon Toast Crunch, the original one that comes in the purple tin. But y'all know this is my ultimate favorite in this one. This is the one that has shimmer. Are you the one that also has a little shimmer in it? But it's not as much shimmer as the other ones. But this is the vanilla one. And it smells so good. I'm gonna put it on in a second. But look what I also have now. This is the Vanilla Dream version of the Butta Drop Hydrating Body Milk. If you saw, I have the original one in this one, so the purple packaging, and it's a really good lotion. I think I did some recommendation video where I was like, why are more people not talking about this one? Because it's a very good lotion. Body butter lotion. This is a very good hydrating lotion. And they just recently came out with the vanilla version for this that kind of matches with this one for Valentine's Day, and I said absolutely positively need that. So watch, I'm gonna put this on first. I need to make sure you can see it. Hold on. Do you see that? Do you see that kind of wet-ish type look? If you have dry skin, I am telling you that will be the last lotion that you need. Look at it. We haven't even gotten to like body oil or anything like that. Just off of this lotion. Get my chest. Then now, just to point out, you see my arms, you see my chest, you see my face. Do you see how light is just naturally hitting me and highlighting my skin? You know why? There's one common denominator there: hydration. Hydration is key. If you want to go out looking like I just woke up like this, but you know you did a little something, the word is hydration. You see, we used a hydrating primer under our makeup, and even though we put on layers of makeup on top of that, skin is still, yeah. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. Did a full Fenty everything, and you see how we're leaving this video looking scrumptious. Literally just have us covered from head to toe. Like what? Like family. So this would be the time to shop the Fenty Fam sale and pick up anything that you need to restock on, anything you've been wanting to try. I hope seeing me and hearing some of my thoughts on the products has helped. If any of you were thinking of checking it out for yourself, shout out again to Fenty for sponsoring today's video. And yeah, make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.